Mr. President, they've crossed the border again.
Get those damn Mexicans out of my country.
Americans, you know we got to watch asshole.
Why can't we just come here and pick lettuce or something?
Just cuz.
This is racist!
No, it's not. This is frickin' America. What now?
Sir, the Mexicans are coming. We're gonna kill them. Come on!
Run, sir! Run, sir! Oh my God! Oh my God! Run, sir! On the way! This is live West Back Action filming from channel. All the get into my country! If I wake up in your mind, I guess you're right. I guess you're smart, 'cause I'm taken by you, taking me apart. I could best believe I died to live for the hour dictates to me, and I am speaking like I'm spoken on before. If I meet more than your eye, I guess you're right. If I wake up in your mind, I guess you're right. If I sink